Hi, this is Andy Armitage, and today we are going to talk about how the water from billions of years ago has been recycled by the earth and is being used by each and every person today. The process of the earth recycling water is called the water cycle. As water goes through this process, it changes states. So what is the water cycle? Well, the water cycle consists of 5 different sections: transpiration, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and accumulation. Let's investigate how each of these processes work to keep water from billions of years ago moving around the earth. The water cycle is the continuous recycling of water on earth, from the oceans up to the sky and down to the land, to be transported back to the oceans and sky again. Water is constantly moving due to energy of the sun, transforming surface water into water vapor. The water vapor eventually forms clouds, and clouds condense back into water droplets. When the droplets become so dense in the clouds, the force of gravity pulls them back down to the earth, where the water cycle continues all over again. First, transpiration, the evaporation of water from plants. Plants need water to survive, and they obtain it from the soil, but plants can also sweat water out through their leaves during dry spells or really sunny days. This is called transpiration. When plants transpire, the water is in liquid form and changes into water vapor, or a gaseous state. Next is evaporation. Evaporation is a critical component in the water cycle, which is responsible for clouds and rain. Solar energy drives evaporation of water from oceans, lake, moisture in the soil, and other sources of water. Next is condensation, the transformation of water vapor back into liquid water by cooling. The water seen on the outside of a cold glass on a hot day is condensation. Condensation is the changing of water from a gaseous state back to a liquid state in the form of clouds. Next is precipitation, rain, hail, or snow falling from the clouds due to the condensation of water. Precipitation is a major component of weather and the water cycle. Precipitation is responsible for depositing most of the fresh water on the planet. Accumulation, the collection of precipitation into rivers, lakes, and ocean. This completes the water cycle. The ocean is an integral part of the water cycle and is connected to all of the Earth's water reservoirs via evaporation and precipitation processes. This concludes my presentation on the water cycle. I hope you all enjoyed it and got to learn something out of this presentation. Thank you.